Hello, kids! I'm Professor Eistan. Today, I'll guide you through a fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn about 20 fruits and how to spell their names. But wait, can you guess the fruit before I tell you? Let's get started. Can you guess what fruit I am? Here's a hint. I'm red, crunchy and sweet. That's right, it's an apple. Let's spell it together. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Encouragingly. Great job, little learners. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm yellow and monkeys love me. Did you guess banana? You're right. Let's say it together. Banana. Now let's spell it. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Well done. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm orange, round and full of vitamin C. Yes, I'm an orange. Let's say it together. Orange. Now, let's spell it. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Amazing! Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm tiny, round and grow in bunches. Did you guess grapes? You got it. Let's say it together. Grapes. Now, let's spell it. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. You're doing great. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm big, green on the outside, and red and juicy inside. Yes, I'm a watermelon. Let's say it together. Watermelon. Now, let's spell it. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Excellent. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm red, sweet, and have little seeds on my skin. That's right, I'm a strawberry. Let's say it together. Strawberry. Now, let's spell it. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Great job. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm yellow, sweet, and have a spiky green top. Yes, I'm a pineapple. Let's say it together. Pineapple. Now, let's spell it. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. You're awesome. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm orange inside and super sweet. Did you guess mango? Great. Let's say it together. Mango. Now, let's spell it. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Well done. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm green, soft and shaped like a bell. Yes, I'm a pear. Let's say it together. Pear. Now let's spell it. P-E-A-R. Pear. Great job. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm yellow, sour, and used to make lemonade. That's right, I'm a lemon. Let's say it together. Lemon. Now let's spell it. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Fantastic. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm small, red, and often come in pairs with little stems. Did you guess cherry? That's right, I'm a cherry. Let's say it together. Cherry. Now, let's spell it. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Fantastic. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm small, brown on the outside, and green inside with tiny black seeds. Did you guess kiwi? That's right, I'm a kiwi. Let's say it together. Kiwi. Now, let's spell it. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Great work. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm a tiny blue fruit, sweet and perfect for pies. Did you guess blueberry? That's right, I'm a blueberry. Let's say it together. Blueberry. Now, let's spell it. B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Blueberry. Excellent. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm small, purple, and have a big seed inside. Did you guess plum? That's right, I'm a plum. Let's say it together. Plum. Now, let's spell it. P-L-U-M. Plum. Great job. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm orange inside with lots of black seeds, and I grow in tropical places. Did you guess papaya? That's right, I'm a papaya. Let's say it together. Papaya. Now, let's spell it. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Fantastic. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm green on the outside and pink or white on the inside, and I'm super healthy. Did you guess guava? That's right, I'm a guava. Let's say it together. Guava. Now, let's spell it. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. Excellent. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm hard on the outside, but white and sweet on the inside. Did you guess coconut? That's right, I'm a coconut. Let's say it together. Coconut. Now, let's spell it. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Amazing work. Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm red and filled with juicy little seeds. Did you guess pomegranate? That's right, I'm a pomegranate. Let's say it together. Pomegranate. Now, let's spell it. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. Great job. Can you guess what fruit I am? I look like I'm from a fairy tale. Pink with green spikes and white inside with black seeds. Did you guess dragon fruit? That's right, I'm a dragon fruit. Let's say it together. Dragon fruit. Now, let's spell it. D-R-A-G-O-N-F-R-U-I-T. Dragon fruit. Fantastic. Wow, kids. Look at all the fruits we've learned today. Apple, banana, orange, grapes, watermelon, strawberry, pineapple, mango, pear, lemon, cherry, kiwi, blueberry, peach, plum, papaya, guava, coconut, pomegranate, and dragon fruit. Thank you for learning fruits with me. You've done an amazing job, little learners. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun with me, Professor Eistan. See you next time. Bye-bye.